Good morning, market snipers. Welcome back. This is Jesse. We're getting started right at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, right on the dot as usual, right? Sometimes not, sometimes 9:01 or a little after 9 a.m. But here we go. If you're new to the channel, awesome. Welcome. If you're returning, even better. Good to see you back here. We started these live streams back in September 2023. So not even quite a year yet, about 9 months. I said I would commit to at least 1 year. Here we are. I'm a man of my words. 9 months later, we're still doing the live streams over here, not getting a million views or anything like that, but we'll keep going, try to help as many people as possible. Helping me help you, help me by smashing that like button. As you can see up here, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button over there. Don't be afraid. Just try it. Just try it. Just try it. Bitcoin is at 71,643. No, that's not a typo. 71,660. Oh, it's dropping. It's crashing on the 5-minute chart. I don't know. I don't know. Bitcoin is not crashing to $12,000. Bitcoin is not crashing down to $15,000. Bitcoin lowest point was, what was it, 15,600. And yeah, we had lower targets as well, but it was looking like the bottom could have been in November 2022. And then all through November and December, I was calling out bullish divergence in the Discord, and then posted the charts of the breakout January 4th on the daily chart. It was just when the fourth candle, or the January 4th candle, was starting. So it's technically January 3rd at like 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. But it was early in the daily candle. And then of course the weekly started to flip bullish, and January 2023, I bet a lot of people wish they had gotten back in over there. Here we are. New all-time highs have already been made pre-halving, which I don't think it's ever happened before. Maybe it has. I don't think it's ever happened where it made new all-time highs pre-halving. Then went through a little bit of a correction and about a 3-month consolidation over here from March 13th. Here we are, June 5th. So, almost 3 months of sideways, which is very bullish underneath the 3-month new all-time high, consolidating. And the last buy signal over here, we've been covering it every single day on the live stream, was May 15th and came all the way up. We thought there'd be a little bit of a consolidation. We drew out the path back here, come up like this, consolidate, and start to make its move up there. Then we added the fractal on somewhere over here as well. And we have another pending MACD bullish crossover. Again, the weekly chart is ultra bullish. The candle has flipped ultra bullish for the 3rd week in a row. It flashed orange on the week of May 20th. Didn't close that way. Flashed orange on the week of May 27th. Didn't close that way. Today, or not today, this week, I'd be really surprised if it didn't close orange. That would be 3 weeks in a row it doesn't close orange. Doesn't seem like that's going to happen. Also, if it closes back above, if the weekly candle closed back above 71,300-ish, right? Which happens to be the highest daily as well. So right around there, that's 71,300. The daily is 73,100. The weekly is 71,300. That would be a new all-time high weekly candle close. That would be very, very bullish. We could see some massive moves after that. The monthly chart has also flipped ultra bullish, and it's still early in the month, but a monthly candle close back above, again, 71,350 is very, very bullish. That would be the new all-time highest monthly candle close ever, right? So monthly chart looks ultra bullish. The weekly chart looks ultra bullish, right? And the daily chart could flip ultra bullish in the near future, pending MACD bullish crossover. etc., etc., etc. What do we got here? Javier, welcome back. Good morning, market steppers. Yep. Bitcoin printing higher. Let's go. Let's go. We've been waiting for this since all through 2022. If you've been in the Discord, the bear market, I said just give the market snipers one more full bull run. All of 2022. All of 2022. I was like, while I was shorting Ethereum and capitalizing on the bear market, there was a lot of market snipers in the Discord who were not ready to short Ethereum or Bitcoin yet. And so I kept hoping, kept talking about it in the Discord. I hope we see another full bull run so the market snipers can all level up again. And that was all of 2022. We were building the Discord. We were starting to build indicators. We were talking about the next full bull run all of 2022, all of 2022, all of 2022, right? Then 2023 began. And even some of the market snipers still didn't believe. And most of them did, but some of them didn't. And they didn't get in Bitcoin in January 2023. And that's okay because, it's all about a learning experience, right? So wherever you're at in your journey, there's always new opportunities around the corner. If you're a swing trader, if you're a long-time investor, once in a blue moon, right? Once in a blue moon. And that was January 2023. So let's keep going. There's still a lot of opportunity in the altcoins, though. A lot of opportunity in the altcoins. We don't know which altcoin is going to hit big. Maybe a lot of them do. So, if you're saying you're diversified in the altcoins, that's what I'm taking a shot at like 10 of them. So if they all, whether they hit like 20x, whatever, but I'm hoping some of them hit 10x at least, and we'll start scaling out from there. But obviously, none of this is financial advice. Obviously, this is for education purposes only, and hopefully you find some entertainment along the way, making fun of me, laughing at me, whatever you want. RB, what's up? Jesse, good morning. Usually the replay crew for RB. Glad to see you on the live stream. Just smash the like. I know you're one of the best ones out there. Don Julio, rocket ships. Yep. Shooter, by the way. Yep. Got some market snipers in the house. What else? Oh, before we keep going, I have a lot of drawings to show. Well, not a lot. I have some drawings. Did I hit the mic? Yeah. I have some drawings to show you on the Bitcoin as well. We're not going to just look at the indicator. So bear with me. It's not comments. There we go. What is your Bitcoin top price prediction in 2024, right? We don't know for sure if Bitcoin is going to have one top or two tops or triple top or quadruple top, whatever. But in the past cycles, Bitcoin has had a major top. Bitcoin has had two tops. Maybe the second top doesn't happen until 2025. What is your Bitcoin top price prediction in 2024? While you are typing that into the comments, let's go over to Jesse. That's me. And practice smashing that like button, hitting that repost button, and even throwing in a comment, whatever it is. Let's do high five. Let's do a high five. 5 seconds flat. 5 seconds flat. It's amazing what we can do in 5 seconds to help me, help you, help me. So what is your top Bitcoin price prediction, right? Let's see in the comments. Do we have anyone to talk about? Gert Jan Tenhove. Hi there. Welcome back, Gert Jan. Anay? Did I say that correctly? Anay? A? I don't know. I'm not good at it. Don Julio 133. Yep, you're probably covering the yellow band over there. 133 could be higher. Don Julio could be higher than that because the yellow band is trending upward. Where is it at right now? The yellow band is at 131,056.21. Where is that at? Where is that? All the way up there. So in the past cycles, is this time different? We don't know, but it is trending upward. The yellow band is at 131 and climbing. when we first started, well, not first started talking about it, but when we started talking about it, that it was looks like it was starting to flatten out at 113. Since then, it started to curl back up, and that is very bullish sign. Very bullish, right? Very, very bullish. You can see it was curling down at 29,000 back in January 2020. When it started curling back up, the full bull run was on. Hit it not once, hit it multiple times, closed multiple times above it. We'll see if it gets that high this time. But even if it hits the yellow band one time, you're looking at that was 38,000. You'd be looking at higher than 131. So that's one idea. I've got other ideas as well. We're not going to cover it all today. Probably should be a separate video. But yeah, 133, not bad. That'd be pretty good. 120, okay, that's pretty good. Top BTC 2024, 92,000. Okay. All righty. All righty. 150. Well, that was supposed to happen in June, Doc. So maybe it's possible. There are targets up there. We'll see if it happens or not, but it's possible. I just didn't think it was possible in June, right? I didn't think it was possible in June. Usually, even going back into the halving, there's usually at least some sort of correction, and there was, and then there was a 3-month consolidation. So it's really hard to time things. Yeah, not in June, my man. Not in June. I know. That's okay. That's okay. It's not as important to time it unless you're on like trading options, right? If you're trading options, then you have to worry about the timing a lot more. Dallas White Market Sniper in the house, 169, 420. There you go. There you go. So just add 100,000 to, I think that was Elon's post, 69,420, right? I think if I'm not mistaken, 69,420 was Elon's post. So just add 100,000 on top of that. It's pretty good. The yellow ribbon would really be great. Life-changing opportunity. Yes. Life-changing for you. Oh my God. You got your whole life ahead of you. Oh, jealous of Don Julio. He's if I was in Don Julio's place 20 years ago, no, about 20 years ago, right? Oh, I wish I was where I'm at right now 20 years ago. Don Julio looking good in life, my man. Looking good in life. Proud of you. All right, let's keep going. Woo, 71,300. Are you ready for the drawings? Are you ready for the drawings? Thank you for participating on your 2024 Bitcoin top price over there. I think I'm ready for the drawings. Are you? Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay. Yeah. All right. Let's stay on track, Jesse. And go. I mean, it's the same drawings that we've been looking at, but look at that fractal. Look at that fractal. Look out. Look out. Be careful. Watch out for that rocket ship. Don't get burned by the rocket ship. We are still not out of the woods yet. Oh, Jesse, stop. Oh, Jesse, stop. 155, 200. Ooh, getting pretty high. If you've seen my posts on Twitter or in the Discord, it's in the Discord too. I don't delete any of my posts in the Discord. I don't delete any of my charts. There are 7,800, I think 600 or 800 posts. Probably 95% of them or more are charts with all the details. I don't delete any of them. You can go into the Discord, search Jesse Olson, and type in whatever asset. Usually I label it Bitcoin, or I label it ETH, or I label it Sol or ADA or whatever it is. I'll label it so that you can go find charts. You can find old charts. Most of them work out. Some of them don't work out, right? So I don't delete any of them, even the ones that don't work out, right? Because I got nothing to hide, right? I'm never going to be 100% accurate. But sometimes you catch lightning in a bottle. And that's what makes the swing trading all worth it, right? You catch that lightning in a bottle. You move your stop loss up to break even at 6,300, 63,000-ish, right? And now you're in a power play. You're in a position of power based off of the last swing trade. And there's no risk to you to the downside unless you get stopped out of break even, but no risk into losing money. And so the fractal could continue to play out. It's possible we could see it. If so, if it were to follow this fractal, continue to follow the fractal, it would have a daily candle close higher than the previous all-time highs tomorrow, right? I don't expect it to keep following it perfectly, but if it does, candle close back above here would take out that pivot point. And ladies and gentlemen, I would retire that phrase. We are still not out of the woods yet. So until that happens, we will not retire it. And here, let's take that off. We're good with that. I think everyone commented on it. Awesome. So we are still not out of the woods yet, but man, can we see a clearing in the end of the forest? The edge of the forest is right there. We can literally taste it. We are from a daily candle close to where we're at right now, less than 2% away, right? Or that's let's see, let's do it from this measurement here. Yeah, less than 2% away, right? From a daily candle close, taking out the former all-time high back in March. And then we could possibly see some rocket ships after that. By the way, that fractal kind of ends there, right? And it's kind of lines up with pi cycle retesting the green line, right? Now, if price gets back up above that green line, holy moly guacamole, could be nearing the end of the first major top, if there's two tops, right? Because you could really see price starting to explode after that. And then maybe that red line would start catching up to the green line. And once it does, the trajectory of it, right, could flash a pi cycle top, right? Could flash when the red line crosses the green line. If the price gets back above the green line here, you can see the red line really start to pump up like that and possibly hit a pi cycle top indicator again. It's signaled at least one top in every cycle so far. We don't know if it's going to do that again, but if it does, we'll be watching. We'll be looking for that play and watching it every step of the way over there. So first things first, let's get out of the woods. Let's get out of the woods. Let's go check out the beach and go stare at waves over there and catch that next major wave up there. All right. So we're good. That's Bitcoin. Nothing has actually changed. So there's a lot of talk over there for, let's keep going. Ethereum, right? Not much has changed. Could be finding support at the trending dots. We've been talking about it. We've been covering it. Bullish divergence. Found support at key target 4. Was breaking out. Broke out of this downward trend line. Once it breaks through target 4, comes all the way back down, finds support, breaks through the resistance, flips it into support, and then continue upward, right? Continue upward. That's ETH. Sol, we've got the arrow like that. It's an uptrend. Let's go. Chainlink, we'd want to see it to get back above the trending dots. Flip target 4 from resistance and support. Let's go. Sand starting to finally make its move. Bullish divergence. Higher low. Last buy signal was on Monday, right? Another candle close back above the trending dots. The trending dots flipping green again. Break out of this downward trend line with the candle close above. Start getting candle close back above target 1. The probabilities increase of target 2. Then the probabilities increase target 3. Then target 4. And then double arrow above there. Similar to Link. Similar to Ethereum. Similar to Bitcoin. Similar to Sol. Right? You get the point. Okay. That's sand. Filecoin. Buy signal yesterday. Breaking news. Yesterday. Not today. Near has a pending buy signal. Could be another higher low over here. Could be another higher low. Breaking news. Rari. I looked. This is not bullish divergence. So it was bullish divergence, and the bullish divergence cleared. So it's interesting. It's uninteresting. So kind of got this mapped out like that. Could go through a bottoming phase. Could take some time to play out. We talked about that. Maybe it takes like 3 months, like all the other altcoins. So we got some time on Rari, possibly. Dot had a buy signal yesterday, breaking news yesterday. Okay. Cardano, aka ADA, had a pending buy signal yesterday. Probably could have a pending buy signal. That's what I was pointing out. Could have a pending buy signal in the near future. Could be breaking out of the downward trend line in the near future. Did have a candle close back above the trending dots yesterday. Could have another candle close back above the trending dots today. So that's Cardano. Let's keep going. Mana, aka Decentraland, bullish divergence, higher low, higher low. A candle close at this point here confirms that higher low with taking out that pivot point. Target one's been hit so far. The probabilities are increasing that target two is going to get hit, then target three, then target four. Then we'll see if it flips target four from resistance and support. Let's go. All go. Pending buy signal. Breaking news. And you can't even really see it because it's also a pending MACD bullish crossover all at once. Already hit 4 of the 4 targets to the upside. Then got rejected. It was an interesting play. Spiked all the way up. Came all the way back down to look like all the other altcoins. So flip this resistance and support. Double arrow up. Let's go. Matic. Buy signal yesterday. What is it? Let's see. Meta filling gaps. Okay, cool. We'll take a look at the Magnificent Seven in a little bit. We're getting through the altcoins. Buy signal on Matic yesterday. Targets have been set. Atom. Targets have been set a while back. They still remain still valid, right? Still valid. Didn't make a lower low. So there we go. Pending buy signal on Atom. Breaking. And I mean breaking news. We're breaking this live on the live stream. Okay. Now we're just being silly today. SHIB. The craziest bottoming consolidation. It consolidates for a lot longer, pumps for a lot shorter, but pumps hard, dumps hard, consolidates sideways hard, pumps hard again. That is the pattern of some of these meme coins. Doge coin, XRP, similar thoughts. AVAX, pending buy signal. I'm not in Inge anymore. Don't really care. Coinbase is delisting on June 14th. Let's go. MicroStrategy was breaking out yesterday. Did not close above. Could get a candle close back above there. And then this would be, it seems like we can just remove that for now. Could remove that for now. We had the green arrow up here as well. So flip the resistance and support. That's MicroStrategy. We'll come back to the Bitcoin mining stocks, but let's switch over to the indices over here. So could have been a bull trap. This looks like a bear trap down here. So we were somewhere in between. We said green arrow up, red arrow down. Look like it was possible bull trap. Then it was looking like when you had a candle close back above here, then it was looking like a bear trap, right? So somewhere in between, and it could be making a new all-time high over there. So definitely looking like that was a bear trap over there on the NASDAQ. Let's keep going. SP 500. Take this off for now. SP 500 could be making new all-time highs in the near future. Probably bear trap down here. Probably can take these targets off to the downside. Probably going to be okay, right? Another daily candle close back above here is very bullish, and you got that longer term target up there like that. So I'm going to take off those targets for now. Did find support over here. Could be a bear trap back below. Let's go. We were somewhere in between on the Dow Jones, right? So is this making a lower high and never made a new higher high, right? A lower high, a lower high. This was not this lower high has not been confirmed yet because it hasn't taken out this pivot point over here. We're somewhere in between on the Dow Jones. If it follows the Nasdaq and SP 500, this will probably be a higher low, right? This will probably be a higher low. Maybe it consolidates sideways. Maybe it does like, comes down like this, right? I could definitely see this kind of consolidate, flat line, and then come out like that, right? So it's possible. I don't know if it takes that long, but something like that where it could consolidate, consolidate for another month or two, and then possibly make new all-time highs and hit the Dow Jones longer term target up there. Once it does start making higher highs, I'll remove these targets to the downside. Only hit 2 of the 4 targets to the downside. Rust 2000 could be putting in a higher low. Zach, similar thought to the Dow Jones, could continue to consolidate sideways for another month or so. Let's keep going. U.S. 10-year yields breaking down. It's good for mortgage rates, right? A lower high just took out this lower low. That lower high is confirmed. A lower low is in for the U.S. 10-year yield on the daily chart. It's good for mortgage rates. It's good for some other, I think, business debts out there and stuff like that. So U.S. 10-year yield is breaking down. The dollar was breaking down. See if it's coming back in for a retest of the upward trend line and or the trending dots. We'll see how it plays out. The VIX still staying at these low ends. Only hit one target to the upside so far. We can remove these for now, but it's good to see if you're a permeable or at least want to see the market go up, then it's good to see the VIX staying down at these lower levels. So that's a quick update there. Natural gas, right? Natural gas. Do have this gap down here, but it is, let's see, consolidating sideways for now. What else? Gold, silver, right? Gold, silver, same thing, right? So there we go. Magnificent. I'm not in any of those trades as of right now. So staying a little bit more focused on Bitcoin and altcoins and some of the Bitcoin mining stocks, stuff like that. So I'm kind of staying more focused on that during this bullish run over here. So let's do that. Let's flip over to Magnificent 7 real quick. Almost forgot what I was doing. NVIDIA, ultra bullish, right? Remember, I was pointing out that there was a lot of similarities to the NVIDIA and Bitcoin consolidation over here. And once it had daily candle close back above, making a new all-time high, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day, who knows? Then price took off to the upside, right? Price took off to the upside. And we're talking about NVIDIA could possibly hitting a target similar to ANF above 1350, maybe $1,400. Who knows how high it goes? It's super ultra bullish right now. Oops. Weekly chart, right? Monthly chart. Oh my goodness. Blew through all the 3 Abercrombie and Fitch targets. I put these targets out at $500, so it's not like I put it out at the bottom, but I found these targets at the beginning of 2024, right? The first week of 2024, I found these targets. It was already in target 1, then hit target 2, 3, etc., etc. The next ANF target is up in here. It's up in here somewhere. So let's see. Let's just clone it. I have to remap it out, but take a look at it. But let's move it up to, I think it's like that, right? So it's closing in on another target that ANF made or hit. So that's interesting. Ultra bullish on the monthly chart. Meta flipping ultra bullish on the monthly chart again, right? Weekly chart is bullish. The monthly chart is ultra bullish. The daily chart is bullish, right? So had that last breakout over there. Amazon could be breaking out. Maybe the correction's over. Maybe that was a low. Maybe this is a higher low. Maybe it's going to be breaking out similar, and I can move those lower targets on Amazon. Microsoft, a low could be a higher low, pending buy signal on Microsoft. Tesla, is Tesla going to break out? Remember, had the bullish divergence, right? Broke out that downward trend line, pumped up, short squeeze, came back down. Is this going to be a higher low established? If so, you got the green arrow pointing over there. Has not retested the 200-week moving average for a little bit. That's up all the way at $230 over there. This gap was partially filled, mostly filled at 207-ish, but not fully filled over there. Apple, bullish divergence back here, and then had the buy signal, then a short squeeze up there like that, created a new gap. Ultra bullish on the daily chart. Google could be going through a consolidation phase. Maybe it doesn't go lower. Maybe it does. Maybe it just consolidates sideways and then continues upward like that. So let's go. Let's circle back to, I don't see the one who knocks. Top prediction 119. Okay. Okay. That seems obtainable 2024. We will see how it plays out. Let's flip over to Bitcoin mining stocks. HUT gapped up to 985, came all the way back down to 925, and it's pushing higher. Bullish, right? Bullish. Target one's been hit so far. Is it going to hit target four? I hope so, for my option's sake. Will it go higher? I hope so. Maybe not at first. Maybe I reload the options. I don't know how it's going to play out. If it goes to retest the 200-week moving average for my options, that would be amazing. So we'll see. We'll see how long I push it for. MIGI, a low, a higher low. Hold on, time out. Water sip. Okay. A low, higher low, possibly another higher low, and then we'll see if MIGI will continue to improve over there, become more bullish. Hive had the buy signal yesterday, right? Closing in on target one. CLSK could be finding support over here. Maybe it doesn't fill this gap for a while. Maybe it doesn't come back and retest the 200-week moving average for a while. Maybe this is a low. Maybe this is a higher low. Maybe this is another higher low. And maybe it continues upward and hits longer-term target up there. Bitfarm has hit target 2 so far. We broke that news yesterday. Breaking news yesterday. Marathon Digital looked like it was breaking on the downward trend line. Breakout, downward trend line, breakout, downward trend line, breakout, downward trend line. Not once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times. Is today the day that it closes above it? Possibly. Or maybe tomorrow, right? But maybe soon, right? Has hit 2 of the 4 targets to the upside so far. Riot looks different. I'm not going to lie. Riot looks different. So, I thought they were supposed to be buying Bitfarm, right? So there's probably some Bitcoin mining wars going on over there, stock manipulation, attacks, whatever it is. There's probably some news. I don't know. Maybe the news is getting pushed out. Let's see. 1 hour ago, Riot Platforms targeted by Carousel Capital short sell report. Okay. Yeah. So bigger player attacking them in the short sale, right? There's a sell signal on May 23rd, and now they're pushing down further. Maybe they just want lower prices, but yeah, there's always something in the news that talks about what happens after the fact. But so we'll find out if this is a low. We'll find out if this is a higher low. You get a daily candle close anywhere higher than, say, it's hard to say. I probably have to zoom in here real quick. Here, let me move this other way. Try to get a little bit better. Yeah, you get a daily candle close back above higher than 920 ish, which is it's above 920 right now. That would still be a higher low. So that's what we're still watching over here. And so we'll see. We'll see how it plays out. Right. Could be a double bottom. We're gonna make it. I hope we all make it. I hope we all make it. Not just me. I hope everyone does. It's more fun when a lot of people make it. There's virtual high fives. You know, I love to hear the stories, all that stuff. So makes it all worth it. All the time and effort, not just for more money, but hopefully people can level up and have a better life. So we're gonna make it. Wolf, Iris Energy, still ultra bullish. Cypher mining could be getting back above the trading dots in the near future. Let's see. Could you draw it like that? Could even draw it like that, right? If you want to go more conservative, right? maybe in the near future. However, my handy dandy amazing TA plays out. Doesn't matter, right? Doesn't matter exactly how it plays out as long as it plays out. There we go. There we go. There we go. I think too many people worry about trying to be the hero and nailing it exactly. And then they stick to it if it starts looking like that. You got to stay neutral, got to stay fluid, right? So, however it plays out, as long as you see it move up like that. What else? Anything else jump out at us? Lemonade. What are you doing, Lemonade? Nothing? Ugh. AI was getting oversold, putting in higher lows, taking the staircase up, and then boom, someone hit the elevator. They said, I'm sick of taking the staircase up. Let's make a move. Ultra bullish on the daily chart. Ala Sabi. Yes. Yes. Is it? Not right now, though. No, not yet. 71,700 right now. AI ultra bullish. What else? What else? Coin bullish. Had that breakout with a buy signal back here on May 20th. Oh, Rivian. Yep, bullish divergence. We talked about it. We covered it. One target so far to the upside. Still bullish on the daily chart. Square. And Face Energy. Someone had me take a look at it the other day. What else? Better Home and Finance. No thanks. No, thank you. Probably one of these pump and dumps. I don't know. Maybe there will be a dead cat bounce at some point. No, thank you. Not financial advice. No, thank you. Maybe if you did some YOLO money, right? Maybe if you did some YOLO money or like lunch money. I always talk about using lunch money and high risk assets that you want to take a flyer on, whether it's like a meme coin or Better Home. Zoom. No, I no longer Zoom. I no longer Zoom. I use StreamYard. Zoom. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Do I have Zoom on here still? I don't know. Yeah, there we go. I still have Zoom on here. No, I no longer use Zoom. I use StreamYard. So there you go. There you go. Maybe a low, maybe a higher low, right? What else? Total three. Total three starting to make a move. So that excludes BTC and ETH, right? Total two just excludes BTC. So bullish, right? Let's look at the weekly charts. Oh my goodness, Jesse. Oh, total two, right? 1.7 trillion coming in hot. Maybe it takes a few months. Fat. Let's go to the daily chart. Fetch.ai, right? Consolidating. GRT. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? RNDR people ask for. Okay. Yep. We covered that one often. I'm not in any of that. Let's see. Panwa. PLTR. What else? Ooh. Ooh. Okay. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? Let's go back to Bitcoin. Let's see if there's anything else. Ooh, God, that looks good. That looks good. I don't think there's anything else. Let me just double check. Let me double check. See if there's any requests right now. No, I don't see any requests. Just kind of hanging out, chilling. So I think that's about it. We could hang out and cover other stuff if you want, but let me just double check. Let me double check. Let me see if you're smashing the like button. Let me see. Nope. 16 likes. Nope. There's no smashing the like button over there. No smashing the like button over there. Ay. So yeah, that's about it. I would spend more time. But Yeah. So if it takes out this pivot point over here, a candle close over at 71,500 ish. That looks pretty good. You take out this pivot point over here at 71,600 ish. That looks really good. You take out this pivot point over here with a daily candle close. Rocket ships. Yeah. Doesn't mean it couldn't pump up similar to the NASDAQ. Bear trap one more time. Let the bears say, oh, it's a bull trap, bull trap, bull trap, bull trap, right? We talked about it on the NASDAQ as a possibility, right? We're staying neutral. Bear trap, then go. That would be crazy if it played out similar to the NASDAQ. But if it plays out similar to NVIDIA, which it looks a little bit more closer to NVIDIA, it could come up like this. Oh, you can't see it. You can't see it. Let me change it to blue. Change to blue. Hold on. Relax. Close up, close it back down, close up, close down kind of for a couple days, then catches up to the fractal like that over there. If it were to play out similar to NVIDIA, right? Where kind of makes that higher daily candle close, plays around with it for a few days, and then takes off to the upside like that. So however it plays out, doesn't really matter. As long as it plays out, that's all that matters. Closing daily at 72,000 would be awesome. Yep. Oh, I'm not a father yet. Thank you for asking. Could be possibly a father in the near future. The original due date is January 26th. So we don't know if it's going to come early. We don't know if it's going to come on time. And we don't know if it's going to come out late. We don't know. It's our first one. So we will see. But thank you for asking. I appreciate that. No fatherhood as of right now. Just a dog father. The dog father. Like Snoop Dogg. All right. With that, I think that's about it. I think we'll call it 42 minutes, right? Woo, Bitcoin looking good. Not financial advice. Never it is. Hopefully, we'll continue to sniper the markets together. Thank you for smashing the like button. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for reposting. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for participating. Fingers crossed. Yep. I agree. Thank you. And with that, we will see you tomorrow. Hope you have a good rest of your day. And we will talk to you on the next consecutive live stream.